We are Haptic Technologies. Our objective is to build a virtual reality glove with all-around haptic feedback. Current glove offerings are sparse with minimal texture response. This glove will combine the motion detecting of current gloves with motor feedback triggered by a library. Haptic introduction to a virtual space provides ample opportunity for development and advancement into multiple fields, including medicine. I'm Riley. I am working on the motors and control signals.
I'm Themo. I'm responsible for the power distribution for the glove.
I am Thomas. I am contributing to the power system and motors.
I'm Jake. I'm responsible for 3D tracking and programming.
So far, the things we've accomplished for the project is that we have selected power MOSFETs, a new battery, a microcontroller, and the form factor for the glove. We have also developed a power distribution schematic that shows how the power MOSFETs and the motors will be connected relative to the teensy and the battery. We also constructed a motor array to test the texture patterns that will be received from the teensy. Finally, we have been able to have the teensy track itself through the HTC Vive.
What we have changed. The library of textures will now be made from human testing because touch is too organic to mathematically model. Microcontroller will now be a Teensy 3.6 because it offers more control capabilities and it matches battery voltage.
We still need to get the power MOSFETs functioning with the motor array, as well as connecting the motor array to the teensy to test texture feedback. Once the entire haptic feedback system is functional, different buzz patterns will be used for various textures. Finally, we need to connect the microcontroller to OpenVR.
We are 1 month behind our original schedule and have dropped the texture sensor library and reduced texture library development to do recognizable patterns. The tracking system with off-the-shelf components has been simplified. We've also decided to work more focus on our power distribution to motors. We are on track with our modified schedule.
So far, expenditures to date total $1,012, with planned expenditures at $210. This still puts us under an expected budget of $1,500. Our final demonstration will have two parts. First, an HTC Vive setup with a television in a showroom fashion, with the gloves working in a VR environment that visitors will be allowed to use. Second, a table holding our models and poster explaining concepts, coding, and components.